Hi guys, it's Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the synthesis of life, which is Sherrysynthesis, and I'm just sharing my life with you. So if you're interested in this video, please keep watching. Look at this packaging. This is so cool. I love it. So they messaged me and they wanted to collaborate, and they let me pick out some tights, and I'm really excited because I love tights. I love tights. They just spice up any outfit. They make any outfit like better. Like, I feel like it's all in the details. Like, you really don't need to have like so much clothes, even though I do have a lot of clothes, but I feel like if you know how to pick your items, you can really mix and match and maximize your wardrobe, which I feel like tights really help with, because it's just such a simple thing that makes such a huge difference. So I'm really excited about these. So the thing about this company is they make tights that are supposed to be like indestructible. Like, they're like, try us out, we're indestructible. And so I'm really trying here. Not that I ever do anything like this. Like, I would never do something like this with my any other tight, because I know they would rip so easily, but these are not ripping at all. This is pretty cool. This is kind of scary, because they're like so like indestructible. Alright, so the sizing is really cool too, because it goes based on height, and I have a hard time with that because you know, I think it's the same for everybody. Like, finding the right jeans. Clothes is not as easy as like just going to Costco. Not if you want to really look good. I mean, Costco has some really cool pieces, but you can't, you know, you have to mix it up if you want to have fun with it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with your whole wardrobe being from Costco, but it's fun to mix it up. So I love Costco, by the way. Shout out to Costco. Alright, so I'm gonna try these on. So they're called the Backseam Black SS. So you go here, Sheertex.com, to get yours, and use my code Sherry10 to get 10 off. Recommend these already. Like, I haven't even tried them on, but just the fact of how indestructible they are, like, you got me there. I would definitely buy these, because actually I was needing, like, I'm just like, my mind is just like so amazing. So my alignment, so I've been meditating every day. That helps so much. Meditation, I just had some black tea. It really pumps me up for this video, because I just have been putting it off. Like, I love doing this, but there's just so many other things that I'm tangled up in. By the way, shop my closet on Poshmark. I'm listing things like almost every day. I do want to make a video of how to make money from Poshmark, because I really appreciate all the orders I've been getting from you guys. And yeah, keep checking out my closet, because I'm adding stuff like every day. So I'm gonna go try this. Here's what they say: durability never has looked better on you. We've built the toughest pantyhose on the market, and we want you to put us to the test. Whether it's Saturday night with your friends or Sunday brunch with the family, we want you to pull, tug, and stomp on your shears. Don't be afraid to break us. We can handle it. We've made the impossible possible. These pantyhose are made for you and made to last. And so I did put them to the test, and they feel like new. When I was putting them on, I thought they were gonna feel like a little bit loose. I was like, oh no, they're gonna be so loose and not gonna fit me right. But I actually feel like they sucked me in, and not in an uncomfortable way. I feel like really comfortable and really secure in them, and after pulling on them so much, you would think they were like a little bit loose or something, but they feel perfect. It says lines or snags can be created if the knit is moved out of place. To heal the knit, pull outwards on until any imperfections are rubbed out of place. Don't be shy, this knit holds up. For best results, hand wash separately, lay flat to dry. Do not iron, do not bleach, do not dry clean. Designed and knit in Canada, materials from the USA. This product is intended for the boardroom, not the battlefield. It is not a protective garment or form of body armor. It is not a rope. Use as intended. So don't get crazy with it. Just know that it's there for you on your fashion. It's like a fashion staple. Definitely for me. So they also sent me this. It says rip me. I'm gonna rip this for sure. Stretch me, pull me, stomp me, just try to break me. Believe the impossible. Our sheer knit is unbreakable in human hands. Tell us what you think at Sheertex. So I'm really, really excited about this. So thank you so much to Sheertex for sending this to me. I'm really excited to partner with a company that I actually believe in, because I've tried them myself, and these tights are the best. So if you guys want to get your own, make sure you use my link. I'll link it down below, and use my code Sherry10 so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time.